Okay, so I did another video that showcased AI and how SuccessFactors is embedding this into the ESM product. But I also wanted to show how they're making it easier. If you're looking at a case, in this case I have a closed case, they're building a resolution summary directly into here, right? And it came with an email interaction, the back and forth. Might not have the best time, but it actually gave the case metrics, the active time, whether it was satisfactory, and then just an overview. So this is really helpful if you're going back and looking at a case and trying to see what happened here, right? So I think this is a great use case. I know sometimes you have to go look at cases, or you see when things are historically relevant that you might need to go in and kind of see, okay, did we meet the SLAs? How long did it take? What happened? That sort of thing. All right, thanks for watching. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and add any comments that you have and other videos you'd like to see. Thanks.